What's going on, guys? This is Eizy from RZ Eizy Customizer, and this week I'm going to share another custom build, a transformable one using this Bandai 30 minutes mission plastic model kit. This is Alto Flight unit, and it can transform into a machine like this. And I call it the Watcher. This is the same machine design from Horizon Zero Dawn game on PlayStation 4 and Steam. If you guys ever play the game, you probably know the characteristic of this machine. This Bandai Alto Flight type comes with two chicken legs and some other cool looking movable boosters and backpack, including the wings. Enough parts to make your own transformable watcher. Let's start with this custom build. Yes, you need the Alto Flight type like this, and then the runner you can get from the kit as well. First step is to remove some parts from the kit, since this is a Partformer transformation, so you need to remove all the weapons, the backpack, the side armors, including the front chest piece here. And then for the backpack, remove the wings, and then you need to remove the boosters too. There's a lot of boosters for this backpack. 2, another booster here 4, and then another boosters here 6. And next is to split this kit into half like this, and then for the upper piece you need to remove this piece on the shoulder and rotate them like this, and then move this part like this, and same goes with the other one right here. Slowly reposition both shoulders, and you get something like this. Turn it over and then rearrange the arms like that, and then same goes with the other one here like this. There we go. And then for this backpack here, get this piece of runner and then slide this one in, and same goes with the other side too, like this. And then next is to put this backpack onto this upper piece here and reposition the arms and the shoulder, and you will find there's a hole on the shoulder piece. So use that hole and put the melt connector that you made just now. Slide that one in like this, and then same goes with the other one right here. Just make sure everything is just perfectly fit. You will get something like this. For the bottom part, rotate the legs like this, and then grab a piece of runner and put it at the back of this part like this, and reposition the legs so it will looks like chicken legs. Yes, it does look like chicken legs. Oh great. Next is to attach the upper parts with the bottom part, so you will get the base for the watcher. Next is to make the tail and the neck, also the head for this watcher. Just use these booster parts from the backpack and attach this one at the back like this. You have a tail, and then for the neck and the head, just simply slide this back like this, and then we have our perfect looking watcher. Open up this front piece here, so it does look like a head with the neck. For the rest of the parts, especially the parts from the backpack, the boosters, you can put them at the back like this besides the tail, because it looks pretty cool that way. And then grab another piece of runner, put them on the arm so you can attach the side armor like this, and same goes with the other one here. reposition this arm because I want to put the wings down here. There's a hole down here. Just simply slide this pack into the hole like this, and then grab another piece of runner, and you will see there's another hole down here, so you can make another pack like this, because I want to put another boosters down here for the wings, and you need to do that one with the other side too. And then for the weapons, just change the handle into this piece here like this, and then same goes with the other one here, because I want to attach the weapon onto the watcher. Just simply put them down here, the other side too. There we go, we have the watcher. But don't forget the final piece. This is the front chest piece, so to put well, just put it here to cover up the hole. It looks fine. Okay, now we finally have the watcher. So that is my tips and tricks on how to transform your Alto Flight type into a watcher. You can use the same transformation to make a T-Rex, a dinosaur, or maybe a mobile armor that carries huge weapons. It depends on your ideas and with the parts that you have. I also make another video on how to kit bash 30 minutes mission Alto with air fighter armor, including the transformation of the jet fighter. You guys can check that one out. The link is in description down below. That's all the video for today. I hope you guys enjoy watching it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and also share my contents. You guys can also check out my Facebook page as well, Eizy Customizer. The links are in description down below. I do customizing, I do kit bashing, a lot of stuff with plastic model kit. Thank you very much for watching this video here on Eizy Customizer. We build, we share, and we're inspired. So that's all for me today. Check out. Bye.